Teardown Step 1. Close of polls. To close the polls, you will need the Close of Polls password. The password sheet is in the white binder. If you turn to the middle of the binder, you will find a tab entitled After Polls Close. Behind this tab is a manila folder with the Close Poll password inside. Open the folder and remove the sheet. Then press the Close Polls button on the JBC, which is located below the screen. The screen confirms that you want to close the polls. Press the button next to Yes, and when the screen asks you for the password, enter the password and press Accept. The screen will then say, Polls Closed, and a report will print. Press the button next to Print Tally. A report will print listing the election results, and the judges from each party must sign the tape in the designated signature area. Tear off this report and continue to press Print Tally until the number of reports required by your election office has been printed. Next, press the button next to Access Code Report and tear off the report. Place this report in the manila folder containing all other JBC reports.